I welcome you to my YouTube channel Bring Out English. Let us learn article writing. Article writing comes into the category of long composition. We always want to express ourselves, and there are different modes of communications in a language through which we express our own ideas, philosophy, and views. The different modes of language are speech, article, letters, essays, poems, stories, drama, and many other forms of writing. As we know that article writing is a way to express our views which mean to be published in newspaper, magazine or other publication. An article may be political, philosophical and spiritual in nature. In this video, I shall be teaching you how to write an article. First of all, I shall be discussing its format. Then, an example of an article on the topic online classes boon or bane will be presented so that students can understand the overall structure and format of it. Further, what to do before writing an article will be discussed. Next, methods regarding what to do while writing an article will be taught, and at the end of the video, 2 samples of articles on the topics acid rain and boycott plastic will be given. As far as format of an article is concerned, 4 things should be taken care of. First, must write a suitable heading of your article. It is so necessary that you get marks for it in the examination. Second, must write the name of the writer of the article. For example, you can use by, and after this you can write the name of the writer. Third, you are free to write as many paragraphs as you wish in an article, but in your examination, never write more than 4 paragraphs as time is limited there. Fourth one is, your article should have opening paragraph, main body and concluding paragraph. Now let us see an example of an article on the topic online classes are boon or bane. The article reads, this article has been written by K. Sharma. The education system of India crashed after the lockdown was imposed due to the coronavirus. Schools, colleges, and universities were shut down, and the incessant process of learning of every student in the country came to halt. It first appeared as a holiday for children, like summer vacation. Everyone thought that the COVID-19 was a show that would last hardly a month. But little did we know how it would destroy the lives of thousands of people, and the future of the young generation would be in danger. However, all hope was not lost when online classes were introduced. Online classes acted like a blessing on the education system of India. All the classes were once again active. Students and teachers assembled in an online meeting from the comfort and safety of their house. The cycle of learning was on track. Online tests started taking place. Schools, colleges, universities, and even tuition started organizing online classes. More opportunities were created as now students can join any coaching or hobby classes from any part of the world. However, the bad side of online classes started to come into view just after a month of its launch. Students started complaining about headache and pain in their eyes. Sitting in front of the screen for 4 to 5 hours started affecting their eyesight. Many children also started surfing internet and playing games in the name of online classes, and their parents found themselves helpless in stopping them in doing so. However, things are coming back to normal. Schools are expected to be opened soon. Online classes are both a boon and a bane. It depends on how we use it. Nothing can match the quality of physical classes, but we must make do with online classes until things come back to normal. Now I will teach you what to do before writing an article. You see, paragraph writing is the first step of writing an article. Article writing grows naturally from the first paragraph you have written. In a paragraph, you have limited scope to present your views on any topic. But if you wish to write on topic in greater detail, you should write long composition like articles. So, a paragraph becomes insufficient when you wish to express different dimensions on any given topic. In an article, we express different dimensions on a topic in many paragraphs. We write many things on any topic in an article in many paragraphs. So, first of all, you should learn how to write a paragraph, and then gradually you can develop a skill of writing an article. In my previous video, I have taught how to write a paragraph. That will help you in writing long composition. I will give a link in the comment box of my previous video on paragraph. Now see, article, as I have already told you, is a larger unit of writing with a number of paragraphs. Now suppose you are asked to write an article on the topic acid rain. What will you do? Before writing your article, you must do these activities first. First one, collection of information. Collect information as many as possible related to the topic. Second, decide upon as to which information will go first in your article. It means you will have to order your information that you have collected from different sources. And the third one, the final stage of pre-writing is writing an outline. This outline will help you to stay on the right path to reach your destination. This outline will save you from repeating any point in the article. This will also save you from committing any error in your article. Now come to our next section, what to do when writing an article in actual. You see, successful writing requires careful preparation and logical organization. In a long composition like article, the unit of organization is the paragraph. I have already told you that during examination, you should not write more than 3 to 4 paragraphs in an article because you will be having limited time. In an article, the first paragraph will be the beginning or opening. Second one, the body or main part, and the third one, the ending or conclusion. Let us discuss it one by one. So we begin our article with an introduction to the topic. So it is also called the introduction or the opening paragraph. This opening paragraph should speak about the main idea of the article. The topic should be written immediately and exactly. No beating around the bush. The opening should arouse the interest and curiosity of the reader. You should always begin your article with a short and factual sentence. Now come to the main part of the article, that is also called the body part. The opening paragraph has information on the topic. Now here you should develop the topic and express your thoughts clearly. Only then will the reader be able to follow your thoughts in your article. The important point is that every new information must be linked with the ideas expressed in the opening paragraph. In this way, you will expand your body of the article. Now come to the conclusion part. First and last impression in any composition are important. The ending should summarize the main ideas of the article. The information of the concluding paragraph should recall for the reader all the main points of the article. The theme introduced in the opening paragraph should be repeated to convince the reader that you have proved your point. Now, I hope you have understood the different steps in article writing. Now see the examples of article. This will make you understand article writing more clearly. So first article is on acid rain. I will read it for you. This article has been written by K. Sharma. As you can see, I have first written the heading of this article, then the name of the writer. So this format will be followed in the examination also. So the article reads, the atmosphere is very polluted in our generation. This have caused many adverse effects. One such effect is the acid rain. Acid rain is a phenomenon in which the pollution in air causes the rainwater to convert into acid. When this acid falls on earth, it is called acid rain. The main cause of acid rain is the emission of gases by the factories and the vehicles on roads. These gases like sulfur oxide, nitrogen oxide, etc. are very harmful for the environment. Rainwater is the purest form of water. However, as it starts falling towards earth, sulfur oxide get mixed with this water. Then they react and form sulfuric and nitric acids. These acids fall on earth. They destroy soil fertility. If absorbed by the roots of a plant, they destroy the plant. The condition worsens when acid rain water reaches water bodies. They poison the water bodies and kill the aquatic life in it. The acid rain corrodes building, which threatens the loss of life and property. The Taj Mahal is being corroded by acid rains. Acid rain has been shown to have adverse impacts on forests, fresh waters and soils, killing insect and aquatic life forms, causing paint to peel, corrosion of steel structures such as bridges, withering of stone buildings and statues, as well as having impacts on human health. We must act on this situation. We must reduce the use of vehicles and factory-made goods. This will save the environment. Now come to the next article, which is on boycott plastic. You see, I have written the heading and then the name of the writer, that is by K. Sharma. The article reads, we are living in a very modernized world. In this world, new inventions take place every day to make our life better. However, these inventions also harm us in a way. One of these is plastic. It is made of a chemical-based substance known as polythene. It helps in many ways, like packaging food and carrying stuff in them. It saves money in packaging as it is cheaper than paper and cloth. However, it has many harmful effects on the environment and us. These effects and disadvantages suppress its advantages. This results in plastic being a headache for the environment. Plastic is a non-biodegradable substance. It produces toxic fumes when burnt. If an animal consumes it, they are choked to death as it blocks their windpipe. The food which are stored in plastic contains harmful and toxic chemicals. Toxic chemicals dissolve out of plastic and are found in the blood and tissue of nearly all of us. Exposure to them is linked to cancers, birth defects, impaired immunity, endocrine disruption, and other ailments. It makes it compulsory to stop the use of plastic and stop its further production. All hope is not lost. There is still a chance that the plastic can be boycotted. People must switch to paper and cloth bags. The virgin plastic is the best among plastic as it has less harmful effects. Plastic sticks around in the environment for ages, threatening wildlife and spreading toxins. Plastic also contributes to global warming. Therefore, we all must pledge not to use plastic anymore and to stop its production. Now let us sum up the whole teaching of this video. Points to remember when you start to learn article writing. The first one, a topic is selected. Make it headline of your article. Second, collect information related to your topic. Third, arrange the information for your article. Fourth, the outline is the most important part of the pre-writing stage. Fifth, the opening paragraph of an article tells the reader about the subject matter. Make the opening interesting. Sixth, the body of the article describes the main idea of the article. Seventh, the ending of an article summarizes all the main points. And the last one, the same article should be written for at least 3 times to avoid errors. My dear students, with this, I end my video. Practice writing because writing makes a man perfect. Keep watching my channel for self-enlightenment. Thank you.